In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can install the YouTube app on your laptop just like this. We're going to be looking at how you can use Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to ensure is that you're logged into YouTube, and for this example, it will be Chrome. Next we'll be looking at Edge if you're using Edge. So you want to select this little menu icon here at the top of your screen. Then you're going to scroll down where it says Cast, Save and Share. Then select Install YouTube. Then select Install. And that's it. I've successfully installed YouTube app on my laptop. So let's minimize this. And here you can see the YouTube icon. Now let's look at how you can achieve this in Microsoft Edge. So you want to go to YouTube, select the little menu icon that says Settings and More. Then here where it says Apps, you're going to select Install YouTube. Then select Install. And here you can see it's asking me to pin to taskbar or pin to start, right? So I'm just going to select Allow. I'm going to say yes. Now let's go to my start bar and you can see the YouTube app here.